Can dogs and foxes mate? It's a fascinating question that many animal lovers have wondered about. After all, both animals are members of the canine family and share some similar physical characteristics. However, the answer is no. Dogs and foxes cannot mate and produce offspring together. To understand why, let's first look at how these animals are classified. Dogs, scientifically known as Canis lupus familiaris, belong to the genus Canis. Foxes, on the other hand, belong to several different genera, with the most common being the genus Vulpes. While both are part of the larger Canidae family, they are not closely related enough to interbreed. The genetic makeup of dogs and foxes is quite different. Dogs have 78 chromosomes, while foxes have only 38. This significant difference in chromosome count makes it impossible for their genetic material to combine and form viable offspring. It's similar to trying to complete a puzzle with pieces from two entirely different sets. They simply won't fit together. There are several other reasons why dogs and foxes cannot mate. Their reproductive cycles are different, and their behaviors during mating season vary greatly. Additionally, even if a dog and a fox attempted to mate, their reproductive organs are not compatible due to their distinct evolutionary paths. It's worth noting that the closest wild relative to our domesticated dogs is actually the gray wolf, not the fox. Dogs and wolves share a much more recent common ancestor and have the same number of chromosomes, which is why they can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. In conclusion, while dogs and foxes may share some similarities as members of the canine family, they are not closely related enough to mate and produce offspring. Their genetic differences, including chromosome count, reproductive cycles, and physical incompatibilities, make interbreeding between these species impossible. Nature has drawn a clear line between these two fascinating animals, each uniquely adapted to their own ecological niches.